you from? Pakistan! Pasensya na. Bago mapunta sa iyo to, akin mo. So, you're from Pakistan? So you're Pakistan? Aywa. So, you're single? Bakit yung hawla? Thank you. Hindi ko na sa'yo pinakilala. Kasi, mukhang masisira ang buhay mo sa kanya. Okay, so, are you ready? Sabi niya, are you ready? Hindi. Okay, hindi. Nakita mo yung huli. Oo, kulang na lang gumapang sa kisame. Pero may patunayan mo na hindi lang short ang sinasabi ko sa iyo. Hawak mo ang beat! Music! Here we go, come on! I saw you. I saw your reaction. You saw like this one. Get it here, Yes, sir. Yeah, where are you from? India. You can speak English. Very good. What's your name? What's your name? Ay, ganun, sir. Okay. Pasensya na rin kaya medyo hinagkita ng konti kasi natatakot ako. Nasa Dubai kasi tayo. Baka... You're from India, right? So, how long you are here? 8 years. You have worked? Hotel what? Sabi ko sa inyo, magaling ako magsalita ng Indian. So, you dance. You will dance. Ganun siya ba? Ganun yun. Ang dumi ko. Alright, you can listen to that. Punjabi. Punjabi. Okay, let's go, Natalie! Music! Here we go. I can't see the front. Okay, yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin guys, come on.